welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now that amplifier you have seen playing, it is the one behind me, this one here, I think you can see. Today I decided to do something like a restoration, like an upgrade, Before you can see odorless, you can see dust, you can see wires all over. Now I said, why can't I give it a new shape, a new box, a new look, a new face, so that it can be at least looking good. Unfortunately, I did not capture the carpentry part because it was difficult to film while cutting. This is the saw. It looks rusted, but it's because it is at night. Careful. I couldn't capture at the same time, doing the drilling and whatever, but I ended up having something good. Well, now this is the final output. As you can see, there's a lot of space. You see there is a fan here. Now the fan will be blowing air inside here. And as you can see, I placed it strategically that it can blow this heatsink as well as the transformer, and more air to come to this other side. And as you can see, mostly on this IC, this is the base one. I replaced it and put 2050. Yeah, I think it can zoom TDA 2050. The rest are 2030. Yeah, so this is how it looks. It is more spacious. I'll show you at the back. Yeah, here it is. The downside is the sub side. And then here are the metrages. Now for the display, I wanted to put this one, the ordinary one, and then I discovered there's a bigger one like this one, but they are just the same. It's only, but this one sounds more better than this other one. It doesn't have all that distortion and whatever. Those are the knobs. Now previously I was using it to power this kind of mid-range speakers until I realized they are not from Pioneer, and that's why we are going to be using these ones. These are from Samsung, together with that tweeter there and this other one here, and also the sub would be this one from Samsung. I got this one from home theater, and I did its content some time back, so if you have not seen it, you can check how it was performing. I show you the sub is placed at the back. It is there, you will see it playing. The switch is there. No, I have not turned on here. So the fan is being powered by that small charger over there, that one that is blue. Yeah, because I don't want to overload this transformer. It's a 12.5 times 2. The rest is Chinese. I don't know how many amperes, but I guess 1.5, maximum like 1.8. Tremble is this one. So let me play some music. password. So we have to play the non-copyright music.
Loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away. Loving for another day, but she asked for something more. She asked for, yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She asked for, yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She justifies me, tell me what I did wrong. I plead everything I think we would be. Loving for another day, but she asked for something more. She asked for, yeah, she asked for something beautiful. Something beautiful. Yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She asked for,
So that's it. Do you think if it was an upgrade? So this is the former box. Files. And now this is the new one. So thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. Okay.